Kaizer Chiefs faithful supporters and all football lovers across the continent. Welcome to Mlexi Entertainment.
You know, when I first heard that Kaizer Chiefs is going to Netherlands for their pre-season training, there was a bit of an excitement on my side. But then, okay, there was a bit of an excitement because I thought they would come back stronger and better than they were on the past season. But then, as time went on, I ended up asking myself why. Why? Bengibuza ukuthi kungani? Why are they going to Netherlands of all places? Why not train at Naturena and then have friendly games with other teams from Africa? Teams like Simba, Azam, teams who have been doing much better than we have, Why not ask them for friendly games so to check how much they've progressed? But then they decided to go to Netherlands. I saw it as a waste of money that could be used in buying good players, If you remember well in my past video, if you are someone who's been watching my videos, in my past video, I talked about this goalkeeping department thing. I had questions why bengathengi a goalkeeper. I thought they would start by buying a good goalkeeper and then look for a proper striker. But then they didn't bother buying a goalkeeper. Well, we don't know. Maybe they are still looking for one. We don't know. Kodwa ke, they bought players. Some, there was a hype. There was a hype regarding their signing players like Flavio Silva. Ngangithi uma ngizwa kuthiwa Silva. I felt like more goals are coming at Naturena. I felt like he will convert a lot of goals. Hearing the name, just the name alone, igama nje lilodwa la Flavio Silva. I felt like he'll make a huge impact. But then they've been playing friendly games, and I have to say I'm disappointed. I am very much disappointed. On the first game, they scored first. They scored first. Riff Frosler scored a very good goal. But then they lost that game. They lost 2-1. And then I said, okay, well, they tried. They did their best. They tried. They failed. It was their first game. It's understandable, and some players are still new at Kaizer Chiefs. But then it didn't end there. They played another game. And then they lost 4-0. It's getting worse and worse and worse. No improvement at all. No improvement. They lost 4-0. 4-0 on a preseason game. Come on, guys. It's not looking good. We have to be honest. Things are not looking good at Naturena. They are not looking good. We love the team. We support the team. We are diehard fans. But sometimes we have to be realistic and honest. Things are not looking good. Today they played another game. They played another game today and they lost again. 1-0. Which means they've considered 7 goals. 7 goals in only 3 preseason games. What will happen once they get back to the PSL? Once the season kicks off? Will they improve without a new good goalkeeper? Because it seems like all we do is concede in each and every game. First game, 2 goals. Second game, 4 goals. Third game, 1 goal. We keep on conceding. And we are not scoring, guys. We are not scoring. Things are really not looking good in Naturena. Kuyabheda bafethu kubi ngempela kubi. And mina, I'm starting to lose hope right now. I'm starting to lose hope. When we won the Nedbank Cup, I thought that good things are coming our way. Now hope seems to be fading away. We have to be realistic, guys. Things are not looking good. Uma kuzoba nje pre-season, what will happen when the season kicks off? What will happen when we play big teams like Orlando Pirates, teams like Mamelodi Sundowns, Stellenbosch. Are we going to come back victorious? Aye, guys. I'm not so sure after all. I'm not so sure. Aye. But then, let's wait and see. But I won't lie, guys. Myself, I'm not happy with what is happening. I am not happy. And I've really lost hope. I've lost hope. I do support the team. I still love the team. I will always love the team. Aye. But I don't think things will get better this season. I think we have to expect the worst. Hi, it's okay, guys. Thank you very much for your time. Until we meet again. Khosi Nation, goodbye.